Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Beneficiary from Access Bank app. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Access Bank app from? You can get it from Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank mobile app and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, the app is going to take you right into the sign-up page, where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening an account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, is going to take you right into the homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So once you get there, this is what you can do to delete a beneficiary from Access Bank. From the home page of the application, you're going to see the transfer button. Go ahead and click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see a list of saved beneficiaries on the app. Now, from that list, go ahead and select the beneficiary you want to get rid of. Once you click on the beneficiary that you want to delete, you're going to see an option that says delete. So go ahead and click on the delete button, and that's pretty much it. The beneficiary is going to be deleted. Now, that's pretty much it. So log into the application using your username and your password, just like I showed you. Now, from the home page, you're going to see the transfer button. Click on transfer. That is going to take you to another window where you're going to see a list of all the saved beneficiaries on the app. So once you get into that window, select the beneficiary that you want to delete. And once you click on that beneficiary, you're going to see an option for you to delete. Select delete, and that's it. The beneficiary is going to be removed from your list of beneficiaries, and that's pretty much how you can delete a beneficiary from your Access Bank mobile application. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.